find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane, isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, breathe slow.
Ini kan tanam abah nih, pohon-pohon ini sama perhutani kalau nggak dijaga kan namanya orang. Kalau ada abah di sini aman, abah pulang dicuri. Itu cak abah. Gitu. Tapi abah mah kerja mah di perkebunan. Di perkebunan.
Tinggal di dia.
Abah ngurus orang Jawa di tahun.
Telaga Saat berada di kawasan Puncak Bogor, Jawa Barat. Telaga ini adalah titik nol Ciliwung. Di sepanjang jalan, kita dapat melihat hamparan kebun teh yang sangat luas dan telaga yang sangat indah. Dengan keindahan alamnya, kita bisa menciptakan momen indah, naiki rakit, warawiri, dan off-road. Kita juga bisa belajar mengetahui ulang Jawa, seperti yang sudah Abah jelaskan tadi.